hate the weed too hard. You send an 8-minute voice, don't straight from the heart. I reply like, yo, whatever. When can you come get your stuff? I need this shit out the crib. I think it's bringing bad luck. Plug in, I can live.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's now 12:40. I'm in the kitchen. As always, nothing new. I'm always in the kitchen. I'm always making something to eat. You guys should get used to this by now. I'm gonna do brunch, so I'm gonna make French toast, but I'm not using the collarbone today. I am using brioche mini rolls. I got them at the grocery store. The brand is President's Choice. So this is my first time making French toast with mini rolls. I'm also gonna stuff the French roll. I do have the Lotus Biscoff Spread. If you know, you know. Biscoff biscuit is like so popular. So I do have some Wray Nephew rum cream. So I'm like, you know what, I don't have heavy whipping cream, so why not just use the Wray Nephew rum cream as the substitute. I'm excited to see how that will come out. So let's get started.
Baby girl, you know I love you though. You could tell my secrets, but I love you though. I could take you anywhere you wanna go. Tell me where you wanna go.
They're burning quick. The Biscoff is oozing out. What the freak? Jesus, be a friend, y'all. Okay. We need to take it out. Oh, are you kidding me? I'll be back. I am watching it like a hawk. This time we're not gonna burn and embarrass me.
Any other instead, here in this dimension, you and I are meant to be. I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
See? Trying to burn and embarrass me. Hey, you're coming right out. Right out, you're coming.
That you're here, I can remind you of the things you've been dreaming times too. I promise you. If you just give me 24, when all I need is 24 hours.
I would say these, they burn very quick. You need to pay close attention to them.
I'm sure I'm plenty more. You'll probably be waiting for us. How does it sound? I was on the ground, giving you my love, my love, my love. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now. You gotta stay ready. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now.
Tell me find your spot with the warning that I might slip. And when you climb on top, that's the ultimate road trip. Ride on me like your pot, got me thinking it's 96. I can rap on some 90 shit, wrap your leggings around my hip. I'm so hip to it, tourists wanna come speculate. But if I stay monogamous, promise this kiss will always taste like candy. And yeah, it's obvious, mom and them probably can't stand me. I'm sure they tired of this look that you have when you're antsy. We gon' fuck around. We gon' fuck around.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brioche. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you?
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, but shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the outside.
I'm now gonna go eat, and I'll see you guys in a bit. This looks so damn good. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to eat it. Let me taste this. That's it right there.
With them other guys, where you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna know, call her up to know, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be all of those things that you let me with. You made me wanna know, call her up to know, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be all of those things that you let me with. Tell me what you think I wanna know. Quick about my niggas, so
Alright guys, so I am finished eating that rum cream French toast. 10 out of 10. Chef kiss.